Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. Gracias por mirar. I just finished shooting my regularly scheduled episode for tomorrow, which is 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here on YouTube on a Thursday, my regular episode tomorrow. And it was all about us having a voice, because I just went and voted on Monday, and people don't feel like they have a voice. So my phrase for Spanish today is Todos tienen una voz. Todos tienen una voz. Everyone has a voice. So be sure to exercise your right to vote. Be a part of the process, and it'll make you feel so good. It felt great to make that little quick trip to Houston to go vote this past Monday. And we were part of record-breaking early voting numbers, so I loved it. But that's our Spanish for today. Todos tienen una voz. So everyone has a voice. And don't forget to tune in tomorrow. You get 2 episodes tomorrow. You get my Spanish episode and my regularly scheduled episode. So be sure to like, subscribe, and share to the channel, and go ahead and have a wonderful day.
Let me see.